this is Ella. I want to talk about Grandpa and Grandpa, that this is my first earthquake. Well, first it shakes so fast. Something in Andrew's room fell down, and nothing fell down in my room, and we got us against something that will keep us safe. We got against one of those little door things, and that's safe. And it was a very, very big earthquake. And I didn't like it. Something almost fell down in my room, but it didn't. Nothing fell down, but except in Andrew's room, that one was one of his special things. Was it really? Oh my God. It was one of his really, really special things. And he's sad, but he didn't cry. Bye!